Excuse the look. My dog just died, for God's sake. Give me grace. I actually was planning on doing a unboxing live of these TEMU items. I barely worked up enough energy to do this short. I'm going to start with this in here cup that I got a friend for a gift. A belated birthday gift. She's actually a social worker. And it says, being an awesome social worker is a work of heart. Isn't the colors coloring though? Really cutesy. Hell, I might as well just pull out the whole bag of stuff. I also got her this custom made bag that has her name on it. All of these items is for her. There's a custom bracelet with her name as well as her son's. What is this, child? I don't forget. Oh, because she works in a mental health field, I thought that this would be so cutesy for her desk. It says things to remember, and it just kind of has reminders that we need throughout the day. Positive thoughts create positive things. It's okay to ask for help. You can always start over and try again. All your feelings are okay. That message was for me. Kindness is free. The most important day is today. This little thing here is dropping gems. She's very much into travel like myself. So I got this little travel keychain. Isn't that cute, y'all? It has like the world, and it says explore, like a little mini passport, a camera, and a plane. And she could just attach it to her belongings. Now, if you know, you know, I did a haul recently that featured this dress. Get into the print. I'll give you a sneak peek, but you're going to have to pull up to that video and watch to get all the tea. I have this in here, a little nice green dress. Look at the colors in this one. Ooh. Ah. Come on now. You know the routine. We giving baby shower around here. Yes, girl. It's swimsuit season. The zebra. I'm sitting here with the obnoxious girl. You don't want to, I'm telling you, you don't want to head on over there and watch that video, okay? Right after I'm done here, because it's short and sweet, so don't click off yet. Just more for you to get into. This in here was a gift to my mom. I actually ordered two by mistake, but she is a lover of Golden Girls. Thank you for being my friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party, sing with me, he invited everyone you knew. Hey, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and a card attached would say, thank you for being my friend. And baby, when I tell you she loved this, I got her a shirt also with the Golden Girls on there. It actually says, thank you for being a friend. I'm depressed. I need a cookie. Have I given any indication at all that I care? I guess this is some of the stuff that they say on the show. I've never gotten into the Golden Girls. Should I? Let me know. Comment down below if you're a Golden Girl watcher and should I get into it. This hat here made me realize just how big my head is. The disrespect was real. Let's try it here because maybe it might do a little different with the hairstyle. Maybe it was the hairstyle. Look at, oh, girl, you can't even tug on it. It just dropped right on off. You see what I'm saying? It's barely there. I gotta literally push some skull over and possibly push a little bit more of the cranium. And, you know, that's what we got. But girl, when I tell you it's suffocating, it's hot as hell in Florida though. We need this. We need this. It's very hot. If you are wearing a whole lot of hair, or if you have a whole lot of hair, braids, plaits, girl, just anything that's extra than your scalp, okay, because this would definitely be good for the Montel Williams and Jordans, the Steves, and the Mr. Cleans, because it'll fit way better. But if you got some hair, honey, prepare for your brain to be squeezed. But this is a cute one, right? I like this one. And you just pop it off like that real quick, real quick. And then, look. you can roll it like this and put it in your luggage. I love a piece that don't be in the way, especially when you're trying to pack for like the little weekend trips. Girl, what's in the tic-tac-toe Hollywood squares? Who got the O's and the X's? The Connect 4? I'm not really sure what made me get these. I guess I like the colors. Don't it look like you got on two mismatched shoes? They fit comfy, but I don't know how I feel walking around like this. But I feel like if you have on like an all black number and you want to accessorize with gold, these are the one and not the two. Comment down below if I should keep them or not. I got this in here headband because Juneteenth is coming up. It's actually giving like the African colors as well as Jamaica, Ghana. It's a lot of different little colors, but it represents black in my opinion, honey. And I also got a Juneteenth shirt. Can somebody please tell me where the hell the shirt is? I can't even find it. I hope I find it before it comes, because I literally got this and that shirt to wear on that day. It's around the house somewhere, child. It's around the house somewhere. I got these in here. Oops. Why I really like these though is, look, it has this on the back. So it's like a stud. You know the hoops that you have to put the little thing in and sometimes you pull on it and yank out, it come out, or it just be uncomfortable. I don't know, child. But I really like the fact that they had this in here, a little post in the back. And I really wish that they were actually a little bit bigger. They're a nice size, but if you like to wear a lot of hair, you need, the bigger the hair, the bigger the earrings need to be. Remember I told y'all that I'm going to start getting a lot of nails for my daughter? Because you know she's going into high school next year. Save me, y'all, save me. So she's going to want to do the nails. She's already actually started that in 8th grade. So I've been doing a lot of these custom ones here. Girl, they will never know. Girl, who did your nails? My mama. Where she got them nails from? TEMU. They are so cute, aren't they? And they're not doing too much. Really, really cute. Really, really cute. Girl, I get my press-ons from there. Apparently, I'm going to be getting her press-ons from there. And we're going to be doing our own nails, okay? We're saving money. I need to hurry up because it's hot as hell out here. It's hot. Ooh, somebody fan me. Somebody fan me. Ooh. How cute are these, y'all? Very, very cute. Are they not? Girl, look at that. Now, if you had to choose, which one would you wear first? Which one is your favorite? Comment that down below. Talk to me, I talk back. Oh, girl, they was dead wrong with these. They was dead wrong with these. I'm going to have to pop up a picture on the screen just so y'all can be able to see what I ordered from what the hell I got. Now, mind you, these are cute. This is right around the theme of like boho. The picture got me because this is not giving what the picture is giving. And then hold on, let me try to, I guess I got to put these on a few at a time. Now, if you got little hairs on your arms, they will snag at them, honey. They will snag them. That hurt. It even snag at your skin a little bit. I don't want to do too much. I don't want them to pop because I do plan on sending these back. But they are cute. They're cute, but they're really tight. If you got the plus size arm, honey, they're squeezing my wrist, honey. It's giving, you know, when you go and you get a shot, they need to find a vein and they put that thing on to try to cut off circulation. These is all you need to get your vein. This is all you need to get your vein. You don't even need that rubber band, child. But they're cute, but they're definitely not what the hell I thought they were gonna be. They don't look like the picture at all. They dead wrong for that. And honey, remind me to stop buying a fan. I don't even know the boots on the ground dance yet. And I keep buying fans. Now, you know I'm a leopard print girly. You know I couldn't pass this one up. You know I couldn't. But it's so small, you can barely do the little... Hold on. Let's see. Barely. Did you hear it? Was it loud enough? As a matter of fact, I can use it right now. Don't forget to pull up to the try-on haul video. You don't have to end here.